Bitcoin was the first decentralized ledger currency, founded in 2009. Bitcoin was initially created to facilitate easier global payments that could be transferred almost instantly, with low transaction fees and not subject to the control of any central financial authority. The concern with Bitcoin has always been one of scaling. For example, a transaction can take place in about 10 minutes. But as the network of users grows, so waiting times get longer. In comparison, Visa can process 1,700 transactions every second. Today, Bitcoin has become the most popular cryptocurrency with the highest market value. Bitcoin is leading the way for more mainstream vendors to adopt this form of currency for everyday types of purchases. Ether is the coin used by the Ethereum platform and is very different to Bitcoin and other altcoins. In fact, initially, it wasn't designed to be a currency at all. It was designed to support smart contracts. The idea was that Ethereum miners would provide companies with their processing power, so that those companies wouldn't need to invest in additional servers. In this scenario, Ether is used to be a form of payment on a platform. The initial release date for Ripple was 2012, and it was created for peer-to-peer debt transfers. And it is today the third most popular cryptocurrency in terms of market value. Bitcoin's primary purpose is to be a payment method, while Ether is meant to be used for smart contracts. Ripple also has a different use. Today it has become a decentralized solution for financial institutions and acts as both a cryptocurrency and a digital payment network. This situation developed really because a wide range of financial institutions began to take notice of the fact that the technology behind it eliminates delays, confirms that a settlement has taken place in real time in about 4 seconds, and can sustain 1,000 transactions per second, while Bitcoin is only averaging about 3 or 4. On August the 1st, 2017, Bitcoin forked and created Bitcoin Cash. This fork was started by Bitcoin miners and developers who were concerned about Bitcoin's ability to scale. Bitcoin Cash implemented an increased block size as well as other measures to speed up the verification process, regardless of the number of miners supporting it. While these changes have raised concerns about security, it has not prevented this cryptocurrency from quickly rising up the market ranks. Litecoin was released on October the 7th, 2011 by Charlie Lee, a former Google employee, and it was a fork from Bitcoin. In many ways, it is technically nearly identical. This peer-to-peer currency, which is also open source and completely decentralized, was created to solve some of Bitcoin's problems. Litecoin has faster transaction confirmation times, better storage efficiency, and also zero payment costs. In January 2014, Dash was released as Xcoin, and a little more than a month later changed its name to Darkcoin. And then, finally in March 2015, it changed its name again to Dash, a sort of blend between digital and cash. Dash is a Bitcoin-based currency that features instant transactions, private transactions, and is decentralized. Its goal is to become the most user-friendly and on-chain scalable cryptocurrency in the world. At its inception, NEM's goal was to create a community-oriented cryptocurrency from scratch, which is a big ask and has many challenges. But eventually a stable version of NEM was launched on March the 31st, 2015. NEM's platform has many beneficial services, such as like payments, asset making and messaging. IOTA is considered to be the first blockchain-free cryptocurrency, and instead uses what is known as the Tangle ledger. It has some very unusual characteristics, like not being able to be mined, the number of coins issued is strictly defined, and it is impossible to issue new coins above this preset level. Its developers say that this currency has now solved the common problems of blockchains, such as centralization of control, obsolete cryptography, inability to conduct micropayments, partition intolerance, scalability limits, high requirements for hardware, and several other issues. NEO is often referred to as the Chinese Ethereum, and is the first decentralized open source cryptocurrency in China. In late September 2017, China announced a ban on ICOs, which did affect NEO, but since then the price has corrected itself. Monero, originally Monero, was created in April 2014 and focuses on privacy, decentralization and stability. It runs on Windows, Mac, Linux, Android and FreeBSD. Monero developers believe it is superior to Bitcoin because of its mining algorithm, adaptive block limit, strong privacy controls, plus the quality of their overall development and research teams.